Thank you all so much for stopping by today. So let me tell you why I am out here, because we're expecting rain. It's getting a little windy out here, but I won't be out here for long. I'm actually out here to get some of my bigger pots because I received a package in the mail the other day that I'm super excited to grow this gardening season. Y'all always know I tell you each and every garden season, try to make it a goal to grow something new, something that you've never grown before. And so I want to show you exactly what we got in the box. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Okay, so for about 2 to 3 years, we have been growing turmeric. And it's, for me, the way I feel, it's really easy to grow. It doesn't take a lot of maintenance, but it does love the heat. And I will try to link a video because we have been growing them in containers, and I harvest them, I dry them, they smell so good. And I often get a lot of questions because people are like, how do you grow them? So I always start them inside around this time on my seed starting rack, and I'll link that video as well. But as long as you have like a grow light, or it doesn't even have to be on a seed starting lamp. If you have like a grow light or some strong light somewhere, you can do the same too. And most of the time, what I will do is I will go to our health food store here that's locally. I will get some organic turmeric. I will put it in some potting soil, which is why I'm out here to get the container to put it in the potting soil, and I will just keep it inside. Now, what I will tell you is that it does take a minute because they grow from rhizomes. It does take a minute for the leaves to pop up. I would say about 30 to 45 days, but just be patient, keep it watered, make sure you're checking on it, and you will be just fine. Just when you think it's not about to emerge from the soil, that's when it does. And so I started inside around this time because turmeric is definitely a heat loving plant, so that after all danger of frost has passed, then I'm starting it now. So once we get to that point, I can go ahead and put it in my containers. Okay, so here's the thing, like, I'm on a lot of mailing lists when it comes to gardening things, and this is what a quick tip I want to give you all. If you plan on growing something from seed, you might have seen it online. What I want to encourage you is to go ahead and order it, because as the weeks go by, gardening season for the spring starts to begin. A lot of things are going to start to become out of stock. And so you want to go ahead and try to order what you're going to order now, so that it can come and you can start garden planning for your upcoming gardening season. So although I'm on an email list, y'all, I didn't sign up for this. I just happened to get an email that says, hey, we have this. It's rare. It's new. It's limited stock. If you want it, get it. And I was like, let's try that. Let's try it. So let me show you all what I have in the box that I'm super excited to try. If you can see, it is blue turmeric. And again, I grow turmeric, I dry it, I use some as a spice, I use some in a tea, and I actually encapsulate some, because when turmeric is mixed with black pepper, it is known to help with inflammation. Okay, so I do like all three. But now we got these from Baker Creek, and they said that it had kind of like a pine taste to it, but I thought blue turmeric, like, who can go wrong? Let's try it out and see. So let's open it up. I just want to see how it looks. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my seed starting soil. I'm going to get these some cups, some big cups, and just put them inside and watch them grow. Now I'm not going to cut any open, but I think it's cool, y'all. I think it's so cool. Blue turmeric. I see like hues of blue, if you all can see it, but this is how it looks. So we're just going to, I may have to get some bigger pots now that I'm taking this out and showing you all. So I may have to get some bigger pots, but there are some smaller pieces in here as well. Can y'all see? So I'm excited to try this, you know. I'm super excited to try these. And this was like a pound, I think. I think this was like a pound of, let me make sure. I don't want to start lying to y'all. Yeah, it was a pound of tubers. And it's on Baker Creek, bakercreek.com, a pound of tubers. And y'all, it got here super fast. No lie. It's like, I felt like I ordered it like either on a Wednesday or Thursday, and I got it like that Monday, because I was like, y'all, I'm so like, I'm like, I ain't order nothing. I didn't order nothing. Whenever the post office gives a box, or if we have a package dropped off, because we got some big plans coming, I'm like, I didn't order nothing. But I was like, oh yeah, I ordered that. That got here super fast. So it's a pound of blue turmeric. And so, yeah, I can use some of my smaller pots. So I'm just going to get some potting soil or either some seed starting mix. And I'm just going to put them in the cups. And again, it does with the regular turmeric, because the way I've grown it in the past is I have just went to my natural food store. I've gotten some organic turmeric, and I have just put it in some potting soil inside around this time and put it on the heating mat and just waited, and just I grew it like that. Like, it didn't start off as a plant or anything. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I do the same for ginger too. I find organic ginger, and I just put them in the pot and let them grow. I know some people say you got like seed turmeric or seed ginger, but I'm always experimenting, y'all, and I have grown them from just organic. I mean, I'm not saying you can't get the seed ginger or seed turmeric, but that's how I've started them. And again, I'll link a video to show you what what we harvested at the end of the season, because turmeric is a heat loving plant, so you don't want to sit it outside, especially now when it's cold like that. But it's exciting. It's so exciting. And y'all know I always love Baker Creek for a few reasons. One reason is that they're heirloom seeds. They're open pollinated. Now, you all said that you wanted to talk more about the open pollinated, because open pollinated and heirloom. So open pollinated means that you can save the seeds and it'll be true to seed. And I love their seeds for that. So if you're into saving your own seeds, you can definitely get Baker Creek heirloom seeds, and you can do that. Now, all heirloom seeds are open pollinated, but not all open pollinated are heirloom seeds. And it's some debates, is some discussions about how many years. I've seen 50, I've seen 75 years for it to be considered like heirloom, but they are open pollinated. Like a company that sells open pollinated seeds, so you can save your own seeds. And so we do order a lot, and we do save our seeds. But one caveat is, depending on what you're growing, like if you're growing a lot of, let's just say example, peppers, then you want to, if you plan on saving seeds, what I have done in the past is I have separated them so that they don't get cross-pollinated, because it happens in nature. It's natural. But if I want to save my seeds, those are some things that I'll do. Like it's supposed to be so many feet away if you're growing other things. But I do want to show you, before we get out of here, the free seeds, because every time that you order from Baker Creek Seeds, they do give you like a free packet of seeds. And I actually got two free seeds. I love that. And so let me show you what I got, and then I'm going to get out of here, and I'm going to get my soil, and I'm going to go put these on the heating mats in our grow cups and get my soil, and we're going to start. We're going to start. So let me show you the first one. This is the spoon tomatoes. Aren't they super cute? I think that would be great, like snacking tomatoes, so if you grow them and you're outside tending to the garden, honey, get you some spoon tomatoes off there and snack on them. But wash them off. Wash them off. And then this is a new pepper. Let me see if these are hot. Ooh, this says on the back, y'all, it says blazing hot, vicious hot. So but it has a complex fruity flavor, but it's viciously hot. These are detail peppers. So I'm starting to like a little bit of heat, not a lot, but just a little bit. So we'll see. Maybe I will start a few seeds, because I do have family members and friends that like hot, very hot. But I don't know. So it's something about when it gets too hot, like my lips start to go numb. Do y'all ever experience that? For people that don't like hot stuff, it's like my lips start to go numb. So I may start just maybe like 2 or 3 of these, maybe grow like maybe 2 or 3 of these plants. And y'all know I'm always giving them away. I know one family member in particular that loves the hotter the better. So you know what? I'm glad that they sent this, because I may start these and then gift the plant to them, since they like hot. But I just want to show you, y'all, I'm excited. I'm going to keep you posted. So if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I'll keep you posted about the blue turmeric. It is it's going to be nice. So I'm going to go ahead and get those started, get those up under the grow mat, journal it when I started and journal it when it germinated, so that I can keep you all posted. So as always, thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure you share this video with your family and your friends. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead, hit it, tap the notification bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.